So praise God, we survived another week of work. Today is Friday, and please do not judge my appearance, for I literally had 5 minutes to get ready this morning for work because I decided that it'd be a really good and smart, genius Thomas Edison idea to snooze my alarm until I had 5 minutes to get ready. Now I look homeless, but that's okay. So today is Friday, and I guess I'm not really vlogging because anything super exciting is going to happen, but like, isn't that always my life? But I'm gonna go and get coffee because per usual, I've actually not been much of a coffee person. I've been more of a boba person, but my city is really lame and we don't have, my city is really lame and we don't have boba here anywhere, and so I have to kind of just rely on coffee until I drive out for boba. So I'm gonna get coffee and then I'm just gonna go home because my parents are going to leave for 3 days and they're leaving me with my 2 younger siblings. So just consider this the being a mom for 3 days straight vlog. I don't really know what's gonna happen. Might lose my mind, but that's okay, because I'll probably just eat my feelings away, be like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab some coffee and I will see you when I'm a little more caffeinated.
Thank you for choosing my dining. Can I get one?
Hi, can I just get a medium caramel iced latte?
Alright, and what else for you?
That'll be all.
That'll be $3.80.
Alright, thank you. Yes, Lord! Yes! So I'm a terrible vlogger. Are we surprised? No. But I am a terrible vlogger because I went home and took a nap. I was supposed to like film myself get ready for church and stuff, but once again she made another Thomas Edison decision and decided to give herself 10 to 20 minutes to get ready. So that is why we are here now. I am on my way to church, and yeah, that's the update. I'm on my way to church. It's Friday. We have church, and I don't have my siblings with me because they go early to practice, so that is why I don't look like a mom yet, but we will get there. So I will see you after church. And speaking of, sis cannot stank praising the Lord. Did I put on deodorant? We're gonna find out.
I'm like, join us.
So apparently some of my little sister's friends are subscribed to my channel, so this is gonna be her introduction, her little cameo, if you will. She's just really shy, but that's your friend right here. That's it.
The ones that ran it.
And that one too back there. He thinks we can't see him, but we can see you. It's that after church. What up, guys? Happy Saturday. I have absolutely nothing planned for today. Again, because I'm just staying in my city, and my city is very dead. And so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll show you once I figure it out myself. I know I'm gonna eat for sure because your girl is hungry. All I had today is coffee, decaf, your girl's making changes, and a peach, and some corn from the flea market. So balance. I don't even have both my siblings with me. I just have my little sister because my brother went with one of his friends, and so small crew today. But either way, you're gonna see what we do, and it is already 4 o'clock for time reference. So we'll see. I'll catch you guys later. I'll show you guys my outfit really quick before I leave. This hat is from Route 21. You guys are probably sick of seeing it, but I always have a lot of bad hair days, so we gotta deal with it. This jacket is Forever 21. This shirt a friend gave to me. This skirt was thrifted, and then my Doc sandals. So catch you guys in a second. Hey. Huh?
Dragona. ¿Y qué? ¿Qué? I'm starting that to you, man.
We got chips and salsa. We got a large. This is for 3 people.
More
On
like
his words, a venti. But
super
we're gonna
solid.
finish it. No, you think we'll finish it? Look,
We're not gonna finish it.
there's a lot. There's a whole lot. That's what we get groceries.
It's not gonna happen.
I'm gonna try.
I mean, I'm pretty,
Alright.
but it's not gonna happen.
Good morning. Well, just kidding. I just got surprised with iced coffee and a biscuit, so Jesus is good. So now I'm ready for church, and I'm gonna show you my outfit really quick, and then I'm gonna head out the door. I'm gonna try to get some clips of service, but I don't really like having my phone out because I feel like it's kind of rude. But I will try, and then I'll catch you guys after church. Real quick, OOTD, my jacket is the same one that I wore yesterday from Forever 21. This like shirt dress thingy is, I believe, thrifted, I'm not sure. And this skirt is also Forever 21 and Serve My Booties, which I've never worn before, so we're breaking them in on a Sunday. Not the best idea, but whatever. It's for my vlog.
Oh wait, I don't want to expose myself. Just kidding.
What can you do if your account is in zero? Ni que vaya overtime, hermano, la cuenta va a estar en cero. Even if you work overtime, your account is still is zero. Pero Dios, but God, es Dios de lo imposible, of the impossible. Para Dios, for God, no hay. There are.
Hey guys. That's
Go for it.
right. We are currently going to Checkers. We finished for church. It was
Good
awesome.
service.
Amazing.
God. Fell down.
Yes.
Not literally, but spiritually. Yes, God.
We were about to get the food. Checkers.
Mhm.
Best part of the day.
Yes. So we've done all weekend, and we're here to prove it even more. So, getting food now, and we're probably gonna have a lazy day because it's somewhat rainy, and we just don't feel like doing anything. I don't. Okay. Just proves my bad driving skills. But we're here at Checkers, so we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.
I only get one of you. I only get one of you.
Good morning. I just woke up.